viscera of the brainstem. This is the viscera of the brainstem. Brainstem means there is the midbrain, there is the pons, and there is the medulla oblongata. Midbrain, how can I identify? By seeing this superior colliculus and the inferior colliculus in the posterior aspect, superior and inferior colliculus. And also, viscera to distorted, এখানে তো ইয়া থাকার কথা, cerebral aqueduct থাকার কথা, যাই হোক। Pons is identified by the basilar group in the anterior surface, by this basilar group, okay, that closes the basilar artery. By this we can identify this is the pons. And medulla oblongata, how can we identify? We can identify by seeing the pyramid, olive, and inferior cerebellar peduncle. Pyramid, olive, inferior cerebellar peduncle. Pyramid is produced by the underlying corticospinal fiber or tract, fiber of the corticospinal tract. And the olive by the underlying inferior olivary nucleus. Inferior cerebellar peduncle is the white matter. This is how I can identify. What are the nerves attached here? At the level of the midbrain, from the superior colliculus level and inferior colliculus level, third and fourth cranial nerve emerge. And from the anterolateral aspect of the pons, trigeminal nerve emerge. And pontomedullary junction, there is a 6, 7, 8. Medial to lateral 6, 7, 8 cranial nerve emerges from here. From the gap in anterolateral sulcus, in between the pyramid and olive, hypoglossal nerve emerge. And from this olive and the inferior cerebellar peduncle, 9, 10, 11 cranial nerve. That means the glossopharyngeal, vagus, and the cranial root of the accessory nerve emerge from here. This is the cerebellum, and we can see here the arbor vitae appearance, arbor vitae tree-like appearance. Okay, the arbor vitae tree-like appearance. And this is the actually the fourth ventricle in between the cerebellum and the lower part of the pons and medulla, upper part of the medulla oblongata. They encloses the cavity of the hindbrain, that is the fourth ventricle. And an activation. In this viscera, this is the brainstem. This is the brainstem portion. This is the inferior surface of the midbrain. Through here, from here, the third and fourth cranial nerve emerge. This is the pons, basilar group. This is the basilar artery. By seeing the basilar group, I can identify this is the pons. Okay. And this is the medulla oblongata. This is the pyramid. This is the olive. Pyramid both side, olive both side, and the inferior cerebellar peduncle. And from here, from the third and fourth, from this inferior surface of the midbrain, third and fourth cranial nerve emerge. Anterolateral aspect of the pons, the trigeminal nerve emerge. Pontomedullary junction, 6, 7, 8 cranial nerve. Pyramid and olive give rise to the rootlets of the hypoglossal nerve. This is the 12 cranial nerve. Olive and the inferior cerebellar peduncle, that is the 9, 10, and 11 number cranial nerve emerge from here. This is the cerebellum. This is the folium. You can see the folia here. This fold are the folia.